Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends on PlayStation 4 with a keyboard and mouse. First, connect your USB keyboard and mouse directly into the PlayStation 4's available USB ports. The console typically has 2 or 3 ports, so ensure both devices are plugged in. Once connected, confirm that your PlayStation 4 recognizes both peripherals before you even launch the game. This simple step ensures a smooth transition into your gameplay experience. Now let's optimize your in-game controls. Once Apex Legends is running, navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find options to customize your keybinds. Take your time to remap actions such as movement, shooting, and using abilities to keys that feel most natural for you. Additionally, adjust your mouse sensitivity and acceleration. Finding the perfect balance here is crucial for precise aiming and quick reactions during intense firefights, giving you a significant edge. Playing with a keyboard and mouse on PlayStation 4 offers distinct advantages. You'll experience significantly superior aiming precision, which is vital for hitting those critical shots in Apex Legends. Movement also feels more fluid and responsive, allowing for quicker strafes and evasive maneuvers. However, be prepared for an initial learning curve. Adapting to new muscle memory for movement and aiming can take some time, but the benefits often outweigh this early challenge. To truly master playing Apex Legends with a keyboard and mouse, consistent practice is key. Spend dedicated time in the firing range to refine your aim, recoil control, and movement techniques. Don't be afraid to experiment with different keybind layouts. What works for one player might not work for another. Observing skilled keyboard and mouse players can also provide valuable strategic insights and advanced gameplay tips, helping you elevate your performance to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.